welcome to the next chapter. For Flight69, giving this intro to a true benefactor, an absolute big master, an eighth notes crafter. Twisted trees, lock it in, cause we about to get plastered. I mean, concrete, creating that ultimate mix. Producer to some of the funkiest licks. Hit after hit after hit. Chicago's mixing board doctor. Spoke like your loyalty's about to shock ya. You need a beat? J Bells, gotcha. Coming by popular demand. If you're coming on some of that bullshit, you can't feed from this hand that washes the other. We bout that real grind, cause we some real hip-hop lovers. It's hip-to-hop, so man, don't let that beat stop. Nobody out, nobody in. Who's trying to catch up? Go for the win. Nobody out, nobody in. Respect the beat, to the very end. Sound it on, sound it on. I've been asked to step away from the mic because my grooves are whacked, when in fact I've left thousands days in the maze. The ones who couldn't hang must have been the ones who got thrown off track. Get a defibrillator cause this MC's about to have a heart attack. Strap one down and stand back. Clear. You're either hating or you're living in absolute fear. Like I came at you like a deer in headlights. Fuck it, like a prize fight. Ring the bell. Bring the haters to their knees. If necessary, make the motherfuckers bleed. Drain them out all them impurities. A treatment of moxibustion, acupuncture and cupping. And that third eye's gonna help you see. They say the more you drain, the better the outcome. With this freshly tattooed across your back, this might make you feel a little shallow and numb. The sum of our friendship could have sparked a most beautiful journey embarked. Why haters always wanna bark? They don't wanna part, they wanna drown you in the ocean. Some question why I always moving, constant slow motion. My brain is constantly toasting, roasting every hater who came boasting about their bullshit. Sound the alarm! Sound the alarm! Nobody out, nobody in. Who's trying to disrupt the flow of the band? Nobody out, nobody in. Rock this beat to the very end. If you step into the mic, man, you better come equipped. As soon as you turn this into a personal vendetta, that's when your ass slips. Cause I recite snakes, spits, tongues. Eagle claw snatches mongoose asses while he's on the run. 4 flights flying off into the sunset. I don't mean to be rude, but I guess I was fucking up your mood. So I guess I got scooped all on my own top grooves. Like X-Lax, smooth exit to the back. It's a crying shame when people ignore the fact. For some, I guess Baby J must have sparked a flashback. Oh shit, this motherfucker's having another heart attack. Stand back, clear, boom. As you well know, I have the potential to snap.